Birds are calling. Did you guys ever notice this kind of birds? So actually these what we call these birds are as Jeenaguvvalu. In Telugu we will call it as Jeenaguvvalu. Oh, you can see how they built their home. Wonderful, right? There you can see. Oh, it went inside. These birds we call as Jeenaguvvalu. This is how they built their nest. They are very more strategic birds which will build their home to prevent from their predators. So actually there is another passage. To enter there is there will be one passage, and there will be another passage for the predator. Yeah, if the predator enters into that visible open way, but they can't reach the actual nest surface. So that is how they will prevent from the predators, not to steal their eggs or their recall their kids or whatever children's. Yeah, like this. See, there are few birds are trying to build their own nest. So like you can have some green colored nest, right? There is ongoing birds, those are trying to build. So they will get so, and you can see also these birds are so beautiful looking, yellow color and then some gray color mixing birds. I can see there are few birds, they will look so good. They were building their nests on this palm tree. So actually they could have built on other trees also, but they choose only these because it's very hard for the predator to reach their nests. So you can see there is one more nest here. Our nest it is building one after the another continuation. It is, see, this is the one. So it is the continuation of one nest. You can see that it is right. So beautiful. You can see there is a tree with flowers. Okay guys, this is the video for you guys. I hope you like it. Enjoy. Have a good day. Bye.